Lombok is a paradise for many, but for these Turkish tourists, their journey took a dark turn. This Toyota Veloz arrived at our facility in a devastating condition after a heavy side impact with a truck. The structural integrity was compromised, and the owner was facing repair quotes from other shops that were simply astronomical. That's when they decided to trust our expertise. The language of honesty is universal. Here you see the moment where uncertainty turned into relief. After shopping around and finding prices that felt exploitative, these tourists found a sanctuary here at Audi Motor. We provided a solution that saved their budget without compromising quality. A quick handshake, a cash deposit, and the restoration officially began. Engineering a solution often requires thinking outside the box. The impact had jammed the primary hood latch, making standard access impossible. Instead of using brute force, which could damage the chassis, our team executed a strategic bypass. By removing the front fascia and accessing the lock assembly from beneath, we managed to release the tension. It's not just about fixing. It's about mechanical problem solving. We hit a major roadblock. The force of the impact had completely jammed the hood latch mechanism. We tried releasing it from the cabin, but the cable provided zero response. The front-end misalignment had essentially locked the hood in a death grip. This is where the frustration set in. At this point, most would tempted to use a pry bar, but brute force would only cause irreversible damage to the pristine hood panel. Our team had to pause, reassess, and find a surgical way in. In this workshop, we prioritize precision over destruction. The situation was stagnant for a moment until we found a workaround. We decided to take the long route, a full removal of the front bumper assembly. It was the only way to gain direct access to the mounting bolts of the locking mechanism from behind the grille. It's a test of patience, but it's the only professional way to do it. In high-end restoration, close enough is never enough. We opted for a full panel replacement fenders, doors, and hood to meet factory specifications. The soul of a car lies in its lines. We spent hours micro-adjusting the gaps to ensure the body lines flow seamlessly from the A-pillar to the front bumper. Precision is our signature. Painting a black vehicle is the ultimate test for any technician. It reveals every single flaw. We applied a high solid clear coat to achieve that deep, obsidian finish. But the real magic happens in the final stages of paint correction. Using multi-stage machine polishing, we leveled the surface to a mirror finish. We don't just aim for shine, we aim for optical clarity. The result is a total transformation. From a wreck on a rental lot to a showroom quality finish. We saved the client's budget without compromising a single detail of the build. This is how we maintain our reputation in the heart of West Lombok. If you value craftsmanship and transparency, you're in the right place. Subscribe to follow our next build and tell us in the comments what would you like to see us restore next.